Right, you're on. This is Sarah, and she's going to show you the operator that's mixing there. Say hello. Here we are. Cool.
So basically, it works as a channel going down. Each one of these channels represents a different instrument, you see on there.
Radio.
So first off, you have the kit.
Yeah.
So the drum kit will be the first 5 channels there.
Right.
It has the bass.
I'm zooming on your fingers here. I'm zooming in.
And then you got the guitar. Sampler as well, like drum samples.
Nice one. Well done.
And then some vocals. So
All right.